Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, you worked with words that make the sound in the middle, but have a different ending sound. So for your activity today, you're going to work with a partner or maybe a couple different people, and you're going to play a follow the path game using words that make the sound in the middle, but have different ending sounds. If you'll notice here, your board will look very similar to this one. You have some different pieces over here from Mario that you can use to move along your board, and your dice are up here at the top of the screen. If you click dice, tell it to roll the die, something will pop up that says you rolled, and it gives you a number, and you click OK and it will go away. So I rolled a 2, which means if I'm Princess P here, I would go move 2. I need to read my word. The word is book, and then use that word in a sentence. I read the book to the class. If for some reason I can't read that word or can't use it in a sentence, then I would go back to the last place I was. So maybe if I was over here and I had rolled a 2, then I would have to go back to this word. So you're going to play like this, taking turns with your other partners until someone gets to finish. The first one to finish wins the game. If you have extra time before your teacher has you stop, then go ahead and play it a second time. Have fun.